Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best cordless steam mops available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Bissell Cordless Steam Mop. The Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop provides superior steam cleaning with a fresh scent. This cleaning comes with steam-sanitizes floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria in common households. When used as directed using the microfiber pads. You can choose from high, medium or low steam based on your cleaning needs with the Smart Set digital steam control. It features swivel steering and a 23-foot power cord and ready to use in 30 seconds. At number 5 we have PurSteam Cordless Steam Mop. This PurSteam Microfiber Pads are designed with ultra-fine microfiber fibers, soft and gentle to sensitive surfaces, leaving floors clean and shiny. The steam mop comes with many different accessories, making hard-to-reach surfaces easy to clean. This fast preparation will give your floors and carpets that new look immediately. The big reservoir fits up to 340 ml/11.5 ounces tap water. Without the use of harsh chemicals, this steam mop is perfect for any household with children and pets, keeping your loved ones safe. This 3 adjustable modes help you cater the mop's steam level to your specific needs. At number 4 we have Bissell Cordless Steam Mop. The Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop provides an easy way to tackle those tough stuck-on messes with the detachable SpotBoost Brush. Its cleaning comes with the natural power of steam-sanitizes floors. That's eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria without having to use harsh chemicals. Your PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop is safe to use on sealed hard floors including hardwood, linoleum, ceramic tile, marble and granite. At number 3 we have Bissell Cordless Steam Mop. You can skip your multi-step cleaning routine and clean your floors in one easy step. The Bissell Symphony all-in-one vacuum and steam mop allows you to vacuum up dirt and debris and steam clean your hard floors at the same time. It comes with the easy touch digital controls. You can easily switch between functions while cleaning, so you can vacuum and steam at the same time or separately. It is safe to use on sealed hard floors including hardwood, tile, ceramic, linoleum, marble and granite. At number 2 we have Shark Cordless Steam Mop. The Shark Steam and Scrubbing and Sanitizing Steam Mop gently scrubs and sanitizes all at once. This deeper cleaning removes layers of dust, residue, grease and bacteria while providing chemical-free sanitization. This automatic scrubbing mop head with rotating pads delivers over 150 scrubs per minute. That's providing an effortless glide and a smooth cleaning experience. The pads do all the work. This automatic scrubbing mop head with rotating pads delivers over 150 scrubs per minute. That's providing an effortless glide and a smooth cleaning experience. The pads do all the work. At number 1 we have Light Cordless Steam Mop. The connecting hose, which is made from specialty material, can withstand the high temperature of 320 degrees Fahrenheit and will not burn your hands for a long time. The steam bonnet pad and mop pad could be used for many times and machine wash. It is easily detached to be a multi-purpose handheld steamer with various interchangeable attachments. And the handheld steamer could be used anywhere at home, from bedroom to garage, make everywhere clean. It utilizes 230 degrees Fahrenheit hot steam to remove stains and sticky mess while drying quickly. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best cordless steam mops for your need.